Hi folks, David Koff here, the founder of Change Through Play. I'm so glad to have just 2 minutes of your time to explain why we do what we do and why we're so excited that you're interested in taking a class series or workshop with us. First and foremost, we want to make clear to you that improv is not for actors or performers or extroverts. Improvisation is a life skill. Anyone can and should learn the skills of good communication, listening, eye contact, collaboration, and teamwork. Doesn't matter what your background is. If you're a human, improv is right for you. Trust me. Second, it's fun. Oh, it's deliriously fun, gloriously fun. There is a really good reason why we have the word play featured so prominently in our name. Improv's going to teach you a lot about you, so get ready to learn. Not only are we going to have fun, you're going to learn an awful lot about yourself. Improv's not therapy, but you're going to learn a lot about some of your emotional and psychological blind spots. You might learn, for example, that you're not as good a listener as you thought you were. It's okay. That's why we're here, to practice, to have fun, and to learn. And that is why we promise you this. We're going to give you a lot of personalized feedback. After every exercise we do, we're going to talk about it right then and there. At the end of class, we're going to circle up and talk about what we thought we did well, right then and there. And when your class series or workshop is over, our instructors are going to provide you with some incredibly detailed written feedback that praises all of the progress that you made and gives you some advice for some of the things you might want to look into next, because we hope you'll come back and keep studying with us. At the end of the day, play is fun, but play is also the way that all human beings, from the moment they are born, also learn how to navigate life. So improv is a tremendous tool, no matter who you are, and we can't wait to meet you in person. Until then, be well.